The World Robot Conference 2024 in Beijing has set a new benchmark in the field of robotics. This year's event showcased an unprecedented array of humanoid robots, featuring 27 different types. 169 companies presented over 600 innovative products, including more than 60 brand new releases.
China is home to the most industrial robots in the world, but here at the World Robot Conference in Beijing, it's clear that rather than factory machines, human-like robots, humanoids, are taking off. They can play music, cook, serve you a soft drink, work in the living room. These are just some of the examples of the 27 humanoids being revealed at the conference. There's still a long way to go in terms of actually working in your own home, but it's stiff competition for Tesla, who is also here with its Optimus inside a clear box.
The conference attracted 416 guests, including scientists, entrepreneurs, and academics from around the globe. Industry giants such as ABB, Tesla, KUKA, and SMC were present, demonstrating their latest innovations alongside emerging Chinese tech firms. At the opening ceremony, a special guest took the stage, the humanoid robot Tiangong 1.2 Max, developed by the Beijing Embodied Intelligence Robot Innovation Center. This 173-centimeter tall, 60-kilogram robot confidently carried the conference emblem to the stage, placing it precisely on the podium to mark the official start of the event. This moment was historic, marking the first time an embodied intelligent robot demonstrated long-range task capabilities at a world-class conference. In a teleoperation demonstration, Tiangong 1.2 Max mirrored the precise movements of an operator dressed in motion capture gear. This setup allowed the robot to perform detailed inspections in industrial settings and showcased its adaptability across multiple scenarios, such as dual-arm box lifting and object manipulation. UBTech Robotics made a strong showing with their Walker S light humanoid robots. These robots are currently being tested in the automotive industry, in collaboration with Zur, a subsidiary of Geely. The Walker S light robots are capable of performing complex tasks in smart manufacturing and logistics, featuring advanced visual recognition and autonomous navigation systems. With a load capacity of up to 15 kilograms, these robots can work alongside automated vehicles in factory settings. In one demonstration, a Walker S robot mapped its surroundings using 3D semantic mapping. Through visual recognition and imitation learning, the robot identified boxes on a conveyor belt and applied variable impedance control technology to ensure precise handling and transportation. While moving parts from the conveyor belt to designated locations, the robot's built-in multimodal large model recorded data in real time and connected to the smart factory warehouse system, enhancing transparency and efficiency. UBTech also showcased the Walker S, conducting a tire quality inspection on an Audi RS5, completing the task in just 60-80 seconds. The robot's detection range covered 360 degrees around the vehicle, including areas below 0.5 meters, with an accuracy of over 99%. Additionally, it used a handheld LED light to achieve millimeter-level precision with the help of its onboard cameras. The adoption of UBTech's robots is expanding rapidly, with companies like NIO and Dongfeng also conducting tests. Industry projections suggest that up to 1,000 of these robots could be operational in factories across China by next year. UBTech's recent partnership with BYD has further enhanced the robot's capabilities, enabling real-time talking and reasoning. Unitree Robotics showcased two humanoid robots that captured significant attention. The H1, a full-sized humanoid robot priced at $90,000, can walk, dance, maintain balance, and even perform backflips. Its smaller counterpart, the G1, is notable for being mass-produced and priced at $116,000. The G1 demonstrates impressive obstacle navigation and jogging capabilities. The G1, standing 127 centimeters tall and weighing 35 kilograms, captivated the audience with its ability to jog at speeds over 2 meters per second and perform high-difficulty actions such as dynamic standing, folding while seated, and baton twirling. Priced at 99,000 renminbi or 13,900 US dollars, the G1 has garnered significant attention since its debut in May. Unitree also presented the mass-produced version of the G1, which was specially dressed up as Wukong and a mecha at the event, drawing many onlookers. The Go-To quadruped robot also demonstrated a range of tricks, from waving and making hearts to jumping, climbing stairs, and performing handstands, all thanks to its AI-driven reinforcement learning. Unitree's future plans include developing a universal humanoid robot for various users, from tech enthusiasts to AI research companies. They've also released open-source code for teleoperation, encouraging collaborative development in the robotics community. Additionally, Unitree presented the Go-To-W, a four-legged robot with wheels, enhancing its mobility and versatility.
Also, Unitree is known for its four-legged robots for service, entertainment, and other industries. Here too, we recently released a new product, the Go-To-W. The robot on wheels can not only drive fast, but also walk on legs, keeping its balance even on the stairs. The Go-To-W is actually based on some feedback from users who wanted to add a wheel group to the base of the Go-To itself. The robot can now go from 6 miles or 10 kilometers to 18 miles or 30 kilometers on wheels. In addition, the wheeled version can also climb a slope, say, or stairs. By the way, Unitree has four-legged robots for industrial applications as well. You can learn more about them in the description to this video. Our long-term goal is definitely to stick to the development of our own four-legged robots. In addition, our humanoid robots are also an important product line for us, so in the future we will continue to develop both product lines, and in the future we also hope that our robots, quadrupedal and humanoid robots, will serve us humans. I also hope that we can bring a change in the way people live and work with our products and improve our quality of life in general.
Tesla's presence at the conference was notable, despite their Optimus humanoid robot remaining under a glass dome without live demonstrations. The company's inclusion in the Chinese government procurement list underscores its importance in the market. Tesla also displayed its Model Y and Cybertruck, although the latter still lacks advanced driver assistance features. Interestingly, Tesla is actively recruiting for its robot training program. The company is seeking individuals willing to wear motion capture suits and VR headsets, with a mandatory requirement of having a driver's license. Other requirements include a height between 170 to 180 centimeters and the ability to provide daily reports. Successful candidates can earn between $25 to $48 per hour, plus additional monetary and stock bonuses. The Zion Humanoid Robot Innovation Center unveiled the Navi AI Navigator 2 robot, which demonstrated impressive capabilities on stage. The robot delivered speeches, made tea, and played chess while closely mimicking human movements. Standing at 165 centimeters tall and weighing 60 kilograms, the Navi AI boasts 41 degrees of freedom and a processing power of 275 trillion operations per second. It's also equipped with intelligent navigation, allowing it to confidently interact with its surroundings, including recognizing and grasping objects.
With its environment, including recognizing and picking up objects. But it was the EX Robots booth that attracted the most attention. No surprise there, the company's robots are becoming more and more realistic every year. At the WRC, there were copies of famous personalities, doppelgangers of the company's employees, and just characters created for fun. The robots repeated facial expressions of visitors, told stories, actively mimicking the speaker.
X robots drew significant attention with their highly realistic humanoid robots. These robots can replicate facial expressions with remarkable accuracy, blurring the line between human and machine. The company produces 400 to 500 robots annually, primarily for museums and educational institutions. EX Robots utilizes advanced 3D scanning and printing technologies to create replicas of real people. Their engineers are actively working on developing emotion recognition and transmission technologies, aiming to create robots that can show empathy and engage in more natural interactions.
Digital design, EX Robots can create a copy of absolutely anybody. By the way, the company's robots are not just beautiful dolls. EX Robots engineers are now actively working not only on realistic skin, but also on technologies such as recognizing and transmitting emotions in speech. so that robots can show empathy and create the illusion of real communication with the people around them. And just in case you're wondering, you can make your own doppelganger in a month for about 200,000 bucks. Want to know more? Check out our previous video in the description.
Qingbao Robots, a subsidiary of Haier, focused on service robots designed for use in hotels and airports. These robots aim to revolutionize customer service in these high-traffic environments. The company's website states that Shanghai Qingbao Engine Robot provides comprehensive intelligence services for customers across many industries, covering software plus hardware plus content plus service in a single intelligent ecosystem.
Competing with EX robots were Qingbao robots, which also claim to be realistic. Qingbao is a subsidiary of Haier, where the core business is robotic vacuum cleaners. However, this does not prevent the company from promoting humanoid robots and even promises to endow them with at least limited artificial intelligence. The company's website says that Shanghai Qingbao Engine Robot provides comprehensive intelligence services for customers across many industries, covering, quote, software plus hardware plus content plus services in a single intelligent ecosystem. This probably means that the company wants to supply its humanoid robots as service machines that are capable of greeting and counseling people at hotels and airports, for example. Basically, soon, at least in China, there will be anthropomorphic robots instead of billboards. Anybody want to take that bet? Let us know in the comments.
Humanoid Robots Limited presented the KLA, China's first full-sized open-source humanoid robot. The KLA features 43 active degrees of freedom and boasts a processing power of 400 tera operations per second. The company has ambitious plans to release a new robot every year and develop 100 application scenarios annually. They also aim to increase the number of robots in training to 1,000 within the next 2 years.
His first full-sized open-source humanoid robot, Tiangong from Humanoid Robots Limited. The robot doesn't look cool, but the manufacturers claim that it has 43 active degrees of freedom and is capable of moving quickly, avoiding obstacles, and even walking over hills. Its processing power reaches 400 tera operations per second. Now that is real power. It's also reported that the robot is able to perform various actions with its hands, but it is unlikely that it does this on its own. Most likely, the robot itself is only able to maintain balance under kicks, but doing things on its own is, for the time being, fiction. Soon, however, it will be able to. After all, the company has opened the source code for the robot for developers to conduct experiments with Tiangong and teach it new tasks. Humanoid Robots Limited plans to release a new robot every year, develop 100 application scenarios per year, and increase the number of learning robots to 1,000 in the next 2 years.
Huawei's contribution to the exhibition was the Quavo robot, which runs on the company's Harmony OS and is powered by their Pangu AI. Reports indicate that Quavo is already being utilized for certain tasks at the Neocar automobile factory, with successful trial results.
NIO is testing the first humanoid robot equipped with Huawei's Harmony OS at the Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer's assembly plants. According to reports, the robot named Quavo is being tested at factories of NIO and Jiangsu Hengtong Group. The humanoid robot, developed by Leju Robotics, debuted at Huawei's HDC 2024 Developer Conference in June. Quavo is designed for industrial and domestic settings.
According to Chinese officials, humanoid robots are well-suited for quality control and multitasking functions in car manufacturing plants. Unix AI showcased a home assistant robot positioned as a cook and housekeeper. While the current version moves on wheels, the company is already working on a bipedal model. This development highlights how even smaller companies are now capable of building humanoid robots and teaching them basic walking skills. Xbot L, another home assistant robot, gained recognition for being the first humanoid to conquer the Great Wall of China. It can navigate uneven terrain and stairs, even in poor lighting conditions, thanks to its proprietary reinforcement learning technology. This technology also allows the robot to make decisions in unfamiliar environments, showcasing its adaptability.
We're still waiting for a breakthrough. Another robot, which is positioned as a home assistant, was comfortably seated in a chair, the Robot Era Stand. XBot L, which was the first humanoid to conquer the Great Wall of China, can walk on uneven roads and stairs even in poor lighting conditions. According to the developers, all this is possible thanks to the proprietary reinforcement learning technology, which also allows the robot to make decisions in unfamiliar environments.
LimX Dynamics presented their CL1 robot, featuring advanced interference filtering capabilities and improved object manipulation and task planning abilities. This robot represents a significant step forward in creating more adaptable and resilient humanoid machines. During a demonstration, LimX Dynamics showcased the P1's ability to maintain balance despite repeated attempts to destabilize it, demonstrating impressive anti-interference capabilities.
And LimX Dynamics brought its advanced CL1 humanoid robot to this year's WRC. According to the developers, the robot can now filter unpredictable external interference, move specified objects, independently adjust its position, and plan for the task at hand. Just like the XBot L, CL1 is positioned as a home assistant, which unfortunately just hung there. LimX P1, however, was all over the place. This self-balancing robot has incredible resistance to mud and rough terrain, as well as to kicks from humans. For now.
Beijing Galbit Company's G1 robot stood out with its unique arm design, featuring a 190-centimeter arm span and a working range of up to 240 centimeters. The robot is mounted on a folding platform that can extend upwards, significantly increasing its reach. According to the developers, the G1 possesses a powerful AI, enabling it to demonstrate generalized handling abilities in autonomous mode.
Moving on, Beijing Galbot Company and its G1 robot made an impression at the conference this year as well. It differs from most humanoids due to its arm design, with over 6 feet or 190 centimeters arm span and an available reach of up to almost 8 feet or 240 centimeters. To keep its balance, the robot is mounted on a platform which can fold and grow upwards, extending its range of motion. And according to the developers, the robot also has brains. They allow the G1 to demonstrate a generalized handling ability in autonomous mode. What do developers mean by that? Certainly not the ability to perform any action on any object. There's no such AI for robots as of yet. From what we managed to gather about the robot, we can conclude that it can recognize and grasp objects with its hands, which in general is not breaking news, but for G1, it's a big step forward.
Galbit was showcased in 4 live demonstrations: desktop cleaning, shelf picking, shelf replenishment, and box handling. These demonstrations highlighted the robot's versatility across commercial, industrial, and household settings. The robot's folding body design allows it to reach heights of up to 2.4 meters and crouch to the ground, enabling it to accurately place items on shelves regardless of their height. Kepler Exploration Robot Company unveiled the Forerunner, a humanoid general-purpose robot standing 175 centimeters tall and weighing 85 kilograms. Equipped with 40 degrees of freedom and the Nebula AI system for navigation and object recognition, the Forerunner is capable of performing complex tasks. It can gently grasp small objects and carry heavy objects as well. FD Robot's Tlybot impressed visitors with its 71 degrees of freedom. Equipped with 3D vision and LiDAR capabilities, the Tlybot can accurately map its environment and avoid obstacles. It also features force feedback and voice interaction capabilities. The robot is designed for a wide range of industrial applications, including film, defense, education, logistics, and healthcare. However, its adoption may be limited by its price range of $70,000 to $140,000. Realman Company focused on robotic arms, showcasing lightweight yet strong designs compatible with various grips and platforms. These arms can lift up to 130% of their own weight, demonstrating significant advancements in robotic strength and dexterity. They can work safely alongside humans, and 1 or 2 of these robot arms can be mounted on any platform, including a humanoid one, resulting in a robot with dexterous, sensitive, and trainable arms right from the start. Stardust Intelligence presented the Astrobot S1, a wheeled home assistant robot. The S1 features high-speed arm movements with impressive precision. It can move at speeds up to 10 meters per second and lift weights up to 10 kilograms. The robot's positioning accuracy is a remarkable 0.3 millimeters, allowing it to perform delicate tasks without the need for fingers. The robot easily squats to reach low objects and masterfully uses kitchen utensils. Users can teach the Astrobot S one new tasks using a VR headset, expanding its capabilities over time. In the field of medical robotics, China has made significant strides. Robotic knee joint replacement surgeries have been performed for 2 years, and this year saw the world's first remote surgery to remove a lung tumor. The country is also developing and testing its own analog of the Da Vinci surgical robot system. A major breakthrough in medical robotics was the debut of ROPA, the world's first orthopedic surgery robot equipped with AI deep learning technology. Developed by Changmugu, ROPA represents a significant advancement in surgical precision, capable of creating personalized 3D surgical plans within minutes and performing surgeries with sub-millimeter accuracy.